Irregular periods are worst thing to happen, and why are you gaining unnecessary weight? Hello ladies, welcome back to It's All About Journey, and today in this video we are going to talk about exercises which you can do to cure your PCOD PCOS problems. We all know that PCOD PCOS की प्रॉब्लम आजकल बहुत कॉमन हो चुकी है और वो इतनी कॉमन हो चुकी है कि लड़कियों को लग भी नहीं रहा है कि उनको कुछ हो गया है और उसकी वजह से उनकी लाइफ के ऊपर बहुत एडवर्स इफेक्ट हो रहा है. PCOD is a disorder marked by partially mature or immature eggs in the ovary of female. The excess production of these immature eggs from the follicles takes residence in the ovaries and develops cysts. And the worst part about this triggers the production of androgen, which is a male hormone, and all the problems of PCOD happens because of that. Something like weight gain, body acne, and also irregular periods. And this is a metabolic disorder which is often complicated by other chronic diseases like heart diseases and diabetes. So taking early care of PCOD and PCOS is super necessary and there is no any other option to it. But actually PCOD PCOS होता कैसे है? इसका actual reason तो किसी को नहीं पता, but the major factors are excessive insulin, genetic predisposition, and low-grade inflammation. PCOD and PCOS can lead you to a lot of factors, something like excessive bleeding, irregular periods, facial acne and facial hair growth. Also skin darkening on the folds, and in extreme cases it can even lead you to infertility. Although there is no any solution for PCOD PCOS problem, but doing some exercises can actually help you to control these things at certain level. Let's see what those exercises can be. First one is walking. Lot of people think that walking करने से क्या ही होने वाला है, but walking के बहुत सारे फायदे हैं. Something like it reduces your stress hormones and release the endorphin in your brain so that you can feel good, and it also help you to reduce the inflammation in your body. Second one is cardio. Running, swimming, cycling, trekking, rowing are the best examples of cardio. और ये कार्डियो करने के भी बहुत सारे फायदे होते हैं, जैसे कि इनहांसिंग योर कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल्स, आपका मूड अच्छा होता है, आपकी नींद अच्छी होती है, आपका ब्रेन अच्छे से फंक्शन करता है. थर्ड वन इज स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग. वेट्स और रेजिस्टेंट बैंड्स कैन बी यूज एज स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग, एंड स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग आपको बहुत फायदा दिला सकता है PCOD PCOS का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में. और ये स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग करने से आपके बॉडी में मसल बिल्ड होंगे, जिससे हेल्प होगा आपका फैट लॉस करने में, और जैसे ही फैट लॉस होता है इट कैन हेल्प यू टू क्योर योर PCOD PCOS प्रॉब्लम. Fourth one is yoga. We all know how beneficial yoga is. Studies have also shown that the people who are doing yoga for 3 times in a week have less chances of getting into PCOD PCOS and any kind of depression and anxiety. Fifth one is core strength. Basic exercises like push-ups and tricep dips are going to help you out to strengthen your upper body and your core muscles, and which will help you out to enhance your insulin sensitivity. And these exercises can help you to continue burn calories even after your session ends. And sixth one is HIIT, high intensity interval training. HIIT में होता ये है कि आपको बहुत छोटे टाइम तक एक्सट्रीम कार्डियक एक्टिविटीज करने पड़ते हैं और उसके बीच में आपको ब्रेक लेना होता है. HIIT forces you to engage in extra post-exercise oxygen consumption, which is also known as afterburn, which creates depth of oxygen in your muscles so that you get that burn even after your workout session and you keep burning your calories. So these were the best exercises if you want to solve the problem of PCOD PCOS. I know उसको आप 100% solve नहीं कर सकते हो, but एक level पे आप ये exercises करके and proper nutrition plan follow करके PCOD PCOS को control कर सकते हो, नहीं तो उसके जो adverse effect होते हैं उनको control कर सकते हो. That's all for today, girls. Hit the like button and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who are facing PCOD PCOS problem. Also hit the subscribe button below and wait for the next video. Till then, happy workout.